I gotta testify. Come up in the spot looking extra fly. For the day I die, I'ma touch the sky. Gotta testify. Come up in the spot looking extra fly. For the day I die.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to show you guys this wig I was sent from Arabella hair. Big thank you to them for sending me out this wig. This is what came in my bag. I got a wig cap, I got a edge brush, I got a baby hair band or lace milk band. I got some lashes. I got a little cute clip, and this is the wig. They sent me a 24-inch lace frontal wig. This is their platinum highlight blonde, or this is their platinum blonde highlighted wig. It came with the band already inside, and this is their body wave texture. Off camera, I did go in and bleach my knots, and I prepped the wig. I did me some little baby hairs, and I wanted to rock it in a half up, half down, so I just went ahead and prepped the wig. And I'm doing a glueless install, of course, using my Eben spray. So yeah, the knots on this wig bleached very well, y'all. Like, I really like this wig. But yeah, the knots bleached very well. The hairline plucked so good, y'all. Like, really good. And the lace on this bad boy, baby, it melted so good. Like, it was literally giving scalp. Like, it looked like, it just was giving scalp. It really looked like my hairline. So I had no complaints in that area. This hair, of course, was pre-colored, so I did receive just a tad bit of shedding, but that's to be expected because it is processed hair. But other than that, y'all, I really enjoyed this wig, and I enjoyed my experience with this wig from Arabella. So if you're interested in this wig, or you're interested in the company and want to check them out, definitely look in my description box and check out their links, and check out the specs for the wig as well. And yeah, check Arabella hair out. All right, so big thank you to Arabella hair for sending me out this wig. I'm gonna let you guys enjoy the clips. Again, I did a half up, half down style, and I enjoyed this style. It was really giving what I needed it to give. Okay, so I'm gonna stop rambling. Love y'all so much. I'm gonna talk to you guys later.
Come up in the spot looking extra fly. For the day you die, you gon' touch the sky. You gon' touch the sky, baby girl. Testify. Come up in the spot looking extra fly. For the day you die, you gon' touch the sky.
We take it home, baby.
Sky high, sky high, sky high, sky high, sky high, sky high, sky high.
Yeah, keep it rolling. Yeah. Feels good to be home, baby. Feels good to be home. Feels good to be home, baby. Feels good to be home. Feels good to be home, baby. Feels good to be home.
I gotta testify. Come up in the spot looking extra fly. For the day I die, I'ma touch the sky. Gotta testify. Come up in the spot looking extra fly. For the day I die, I'ma touch the sky. Back when they thought pink polos would hurt the rock. Before Cam got the shit to pop, the doors was closed. I felt like bad boy street team. I couldn't work the locks. Now let's go. Take 'em back to the plan. Me and my mama hopped in that U-Haul van. Any pessimists, I ain't talk to them. Plus I ain't had no phone in my apartment. Let's take 'em back to the club. At least about an hour I stand online. I just wanted to dance. I went to Jacob an hour after I got my advance. I just wanted to shine. Jay favorite line, dog, in due time. Now he look at me like, damn dog, you what I am. A hip-hop legend. I think I died in an accident, cause this must be heaven. I gotta testify. Come up in the spot looking extra fly. For the day I die, I'ma touch the sky. Gotta testify. Come up in the spot looking extra fly. For the day I die, I'ma touch the sky. Now let's take 'em high. La 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 la.
Top of the world, baby. Top of the world.
Now let's take 'em high.
Top of the world, baby. Top of the world.
La 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 la.
Top of the world, baby. Top of the world.
Back when Gucci was the shit to rock. Back when Slick Rick got the shit to pop. I'd do anything to say I got it. Damn, them new loafers hurt my pocket. Before anybody wanted K-West beats, me and my girl split the buffet at KFC. Dog, I was having nervous breakdowns. Like, man, these niggas that much better than me. Baby, I'm going on an aeroplane, and I don't know if I'll be back again. Sure enough, I sent the plane tickets, but when she came to kick it, things became different. Any girl I cheated on, she skeeted on. Couldn't keep it at home, thought I needed a knee along. I'm trying to right my wrongs, but it's funny them same wrongs help me write the song now. I gotta testify. Come up in the spot looking extra fly. For the day you die, you gon' touch the sky. You gon' touch the sky, baby girl. Testify. Come up in the spot looking extra fly. For the day you die, you gon' touch the sky.
Yes, yes, yes. Guess who's on third? Lupe still like Lupe in the third. Here like here till I'm bitter on the curb. Peach fuzz buzz, but bitter on the verge. Let's slow it down like we're on the serve. Bottle shaped body like Mrs. Butterworth. But before you say another word.